Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody from BasecampTrading.com. I just wanted to make a quick video going over AMD here on the weekly chart. So we currently are setting up a potential bear flag for next week. So if you look here at the high, see a slightly lower high right here, slightly lower than the previous bar's high. So we're looking for a continuation bar next week, because we do have bullish momentum, and we did break out above this resistance level at 267.92. So this would be a potential continuation pattern if we trigger the bear flag for next week. But if you guys like this kind of content and you want to check out our trading room, we do offer a $7 trial for 1 month access. If you're interested in that, you can email support@basecamptrading.com. Thank you.